Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily get an amazing 4K video quality in CapCut. So first, import your clips and just click on the adjust and use this setting. So first, go to the brightness and lower it into -5, and for the contrast, increase it into 10. Saturation also 10. Then click on the exposure, also 10. For the sharpen, you need to increase it into 100 like this, and click on highlight and set it into 50. And after that, click on a check icon and go to the overlay, add overlay, and then add this overlay right here. Fit the size, and then go to blend and select soft and adjust it into around 50. Click on the check icon and set it all the way, the overlay. Oops. And now you are done and you'll get this quality. You can just export it at 4K quality. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. See you next time.